So in this new tutorial, I will show you how to make a model in SketchUp. So without taking so much time, let's just get started, okay? So on here, I just suggest we just clean up every line we do not need at the moment. All right, we do not need the text. Just you can select or select similar, right? And then it will select all the text and then delete. You can press delete on your keyboard or E command and then delete. Okay, so at the moment this is all we need to create our model in SketchUp. So select everything and then create a block, and then okay, pick the point right here, or maybe let me just anywhere, and then select the location. At this moment I will be putting enter here in SCU and then hit OK, replace. Okay, so then open up your SketchUp. So our SketchUp is here. You just select the template. I will be using the metric system. So you just open up. So our SketchUp is now open. All right. So here, the first things I like to do first is to save my project. So you just select the location where you want to save your project. So my location, I just selected my location and give it a name. I call it Vera SketchUp. Anyway, just call it Vera 2022 February 5th. Okay, and then hit save. On here I don't need this one, you just delete. All right, just now we can import our drawing. Just click select and then on the left side just select import and then go to where you saved your CAD file, which was in SU CAD, and then it's right here. And then you have multiple choice. You can merge preferences or enter whatever. At this moment, import material. No need to import the material. Model Unity, it's already millimeters, but here again you can still select the millimeters. It doesn't matter. Okay, at the moment to me I just select this way and then okay, and then click import, and then here we are. So here some issue, just click on it and then you can delete the top just like this. We are fine. Okay, then another thing I like to do on tags, that's how we call it in SketchUp 21. On previous version it will be layers on tags, and then I just want to I just want to create a new tag and I want to call it CAD. So and then I will delete all of this file but merge it into the CAD area. Okay, which means now whenever everything in here is in CAD file, again you can select it and then here put it in CAD file. So here we are good to go. Create a new layer, call it wall. We need another new layer. You can call it floor. Create a new layer. You can call it door. You can create window. windows. And what areas you can create again another layer, which is landscape. Also we need another layers, which is furniture. Okay, so now let's get started. So for me, I like to press it over here. I want to work at the back of this. I want to work in this way. I prefer this way. Doesn't matter where you put it, because this, it's just an animated scenario. It doesn't matter where you can put it. Okay, so and then select on the layer, select walls as on the default. Wait a second. On your keyboard R, and then let's create now the wall, or every wall we need. You can just create walls like so. Okay, and then we can remove some part we do not need. This one, and then delete this area. You can delete. This this. Okay, here again. How about we'll also remove the doors area? That might be helpful. We can create it later on. Let's just remove it at the moment. Alright, and here on the stairs, again, I don't need this one, so I just delete it as well. So here, we also need only this part. And as well, we need this one. Okay, and then delete the rest. We do not need this one. Okay, on here again. Oof, this goes to this way. Just select it and you can move it back to its location. Now we have all the walls created here again. Because we have a glass, I just want to remove this area. So now we have all the walls created. This side, at the moment, let me just remove it. And then now you can push it up. So I select, I want it to be, you can give it the height of, let's just give it 200 height. Now there is a thing I like to do. So after you create a walls, there is something I like to do. You can select the whole model, double click on the model, and then right click and then make it a group. Now let's go back on our doors and make it up. So our doors will be it will be 2400. Okay, now I want to select everywhere there is a door. Just one line is enough, and then press Ctrl to copy the line, and then boom. Okay, here we go. You just connect. Okay, here we have. Now we can delete this line we don't need at the moment. here we go. Oh, here there is also another one. We cannot forget there will be an elevator. Okay, oh, sorry, clicking and then snap it to the height of over there. Now here, the next thing we can do, we can create a rectangle and then delete this line, and then line, create a line. You can always check when I click on the line command, you can always check on here which tools I'm using, because me, I prefer using the shortcut. And then select this line. Select this line and then follow me. Boom. And then here you create something like this. Alright, here we go. And you can copy this. You can copy this. You can copy here. And then, because we need one more over here, but at this time we will remove this line. Oh, sorry, just make it a group first and then create a rectangle. Move it to the right position. Create a rectangle. You can hide this one, hide, delete this and delete this. You need to move it this way. I will tell you why. Select the line, follow me, and then boom. And then on here you can now use push pull, push this way, because I wanted this side to be equal. Now you can go back to edit and hide all. So what I can do here, I can just remove this area, not needed. Now we have it this way. Now let's create the other side. I wanna make it at this side 800. 800. It's a little bit too much. Let me just go by 600. It's a wall actually. You can Control X and then you can just put it inside here because they are together. Okay, and the next thing to do here is I want to create something on here where we can put some like flowers and things like that, which is 600. Now let me go 500. Let me go 500. Let's go by 500 and offset 50, and then we can go down 100. No, let's go down 300, and then make it a group. So here we will just put some flowers, and then let's just give it a flow. We select from and then give it a flow. Reverse. Oh. So here you have walls, and then make it a group first, and you can change to the flow and then create a flow and then reverse. Oh, sorry. Now you can reverse and make it a group. This is what we have so far. Now we need to copy our second flow. Select it, make it a group, make it a group. Let's just select walls and create all the walls first. Let's do this way. And we don't need this.